Hi all, this is Amardeep Srivastava and this is the continuation of lecture series of an analog electronics question series of conventional type on my channel Gate UPSC Simplified. This is question number 3rd. In this question, this is the 10 marks question. So in this question it is given that there is a DC current source. For this circuit, there is a DC current source is connected here and also a diode is connected here. And there is a voltage input V input which is just AC supply with amplitude less than 10 millivolt. Why they have mentioned that the amplitude is less than 10 millivolt? They can directly give the value, but they try to show that this is a small signal circuitry. So we will have to deal with small signal analysis for AC signal. Small signal resistor of diode having small signal resistor value is RD. Okay, his internal or AC resistance value for this diode is RD. We will have to draw the circuit and find V output, which is also sinusoidal because we have to do in small signal, and find the phase shift between V input and V output. This is the first part of the question. Now the second part they are saying is that find the value of I that will provide a phase shift of minus 45 degree and find the range of phase shift achieved as I is varied over the range of 0.1 to 10 times. ठीक है, अब हमको ये कैलकुलेट करना है. अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, 10 मार्क्स इजिली ये कैरी कर सकता है क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो हम लोग करते हैं इस सर्किट को हम लोग एज वी हैव टू डील विथ दिस सर्किट इन स्मॉलर सिग्नल एनालिसिस, सो वी विल हैव टू नेग्लेक्ट द वैल्यू ऑफ आई. जब इस I जो DC वैल्यू है, जो I है वो DC वैल्यू है, जब इसको आप निगलेक्ट करोगे तो हम लोग रीड्रॉ कर सकते हैं इस सर्किट को लाइक दिस. Now, when you will replace this diode, then on a smaller circuit node, it will be replaced by a resistor like this, RD. Okay, and this capacitor is interconnected because both the grounding is given, so you will have to connect this capacitor here. DC source is open circuited, so this DC current source is open circuited. Okay, now this is V input and we will have to collect the output through the capacitor given, so it will be plus minus V output. Okay, now this is a smaller signal version of this circuit which is given. Now what will be the value of RD? RD is what? As we know that it is delta VD by delta ID. On solving through the diode equation, what we will get is that eta VT by ID. I can solve this, but there is no need. This is very frequent expression you need to remember. Okay, now this is the arrangement of the circuit for the given question. Now first question is that draw the circuit and find V output sinusoidal. So I have drawn the circuit and we will have to calculate the value of V output. So this circuit is very simple. V input is this, RD is this, and this is the capacitor. You can write this capacitor as 1 by SC, 1 by CS. Okay, then what will be the V output? V output will be equals to V input into the drop across the capacitor. I'm just applying the voltage division rule. 1 by SC divided by 1 by SC plus RD. You can write like this, On further simplifying this expression, what you will get is that V input by 1 plus RD SC. Okay, so you can also calculate the gain of this circuit, gain of the given circuit, diode circuit. It will be V output by V input. It will be equals to 1 by 1 plus RDCS. Okay, so from this expression you can also calculate the phase shift. How to calculate the phase shift? Let's write this in phasor domain. V output by V input will be expressed as 1 by 1 plus RDC of j omega. S will be replaced by sigma plus j omega. As sigma is not present, we will take it as 0. It will replace by sigma. S will be replaced by j omega for phasor domain calculation. Okay, now moving further, what will be the V output by V input? If we will try to find the angle or phase of this, what you will get? 1 plus J0 we can write. So we will get tan inverse y by x, that is 0 by 1 as it is in first quadrant, minus tan inverse RD C omega by 1. This will be the phase. There is no doubt, I think we have already studied thousands of times these concepts in control system or basic complex mathematics. So you can write it as tan inverse 0 is 0. You will get minus the entire expression as tan inverse RD C omega. Okay, this will be the phase of the given function. Okay, I don't think it's very complicated. It's very simple to calculate the value of this phase expression from the given circuit. Okay, this circuit was given. We have just simplified as per the given question. We have deal with smaller signal analysis. On a smaller signal analysis, what I have done is that मैंने सिंपल ये किया है कि आपको करंट डीसी करंट को रिमूव किया है, ओपन सर्किट किया है, उसके बाद मैंने पूरे सर्किट को एक सिंपल नेटवर्क के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर दिया है. यहां से मैंने डायोड इक्विवेलेंट को रिप्लेस किया इन एसी डोमेन एंड देन मैंने उसका गेन फाइंड किया है करके. अब देखो फेज शिफ्ट हमको पता चल गया, ये फेज शिफ्ट हो गया. अब हम लोग एक्सप्रेशंस को पुट करते हैं. फेज शिफ्ट मेरा क्या आ रहा है देखते हैं. फेज शिफ्ट क्या है मेरा? tan इनवर्स ओमेगा सी आर डी माइनस ये मेरा कितना है फेज शिफ्ट. ओके, ये फेज शिफ्ट आ गया हमारा. तो इसको हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? ये क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस tan इनवर्स व्हाट इज ओमेगा 2 पाई एफ into f. F is what? In this question, f is given as 100 kilohertz. That is 100 into 10 to the power 3. So what is this? 10 to the power 5. We can use directly. What is the capacitance value given in the question? Capacitance value given is 10 microfarad. That is 10 microfarad. 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Into what is RD? RD is what? I have already written the expression of this. Eta Vt, eta is what? 1. What will be the Vt? I am just considering 25 millivolt. That is 0.025 volt by I. Okay. अब एक चीज हम जानते हैं, डायरेक्टली Vt हम लिख सकते हैं. अगर क्वेश्चन में गिवन नहीं है, K की वैल्यू गिवन है, जैसे Vt इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? KT by Q. अगर टेम्परेचर गिवन है डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर पे तो निकाल लेंगे, नहीं तो या तो 26 मिलीवोल्ट लेंगे या 25 मिलीवोल्ट में सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है, तो ये आ गया. तो आप क्या लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे आरडी को कि 0.025 बाई आई बिकॉज करंट इज अननोन हियर. ठीक है, अब देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या दे रखा है? फेज शिफ्ट ऑफ व्हाट? फॉर द फेज शिफ्ट ऑफ 45 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो हम लोग यहाँ डायरेक्टली यूज करते हैं -45 डिग्री के बिना, -45 डिग्री के बिना, ठीक है। तो यहाँ यूज करेंगे तो क्या होगा, -45 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू -tan−1 2 इंटू 10⁻6 -6 गेम ओवर, ठीक है, इंटू 0.025/i। okay, all the things which I have put it here is like that, 10 millivolt IDC V input. Okay, now C is given in microfarad. Okay, so it will be like this. Now what will be the next expression will be like this, this cancel out, 1045 is 1, so you can write 2 pi into 0.025/i will be equals to 1. So you can calculate I from here, it will be 2 pi into 0.025. so I will use calculator here, or you can directly use the expression. So I'm not finding where my calculator is, so directly you can write this, you will get as anything 0.025 into 2 pi. Okay, now this is the value of I which we will get. Now the second point of the question is that what they are asking in the second point, they have asked like find the range of phase shift achieved as I is varied over the range of 0.1 to 10 times this value. 0.1 to 10 times मतलब 0.1 टाइम्स है। तो यहां पे जो वैल्यू आएगी मेरी, ठीक है, ये वैल्यू आएगी, मान लो आप इसको x आ रही है हमारी, मान लेते हैं, ठीक है। तो I की वैल्यू को वेरी करना है कहां से कहां तक, तो 0.1 टाइम्स ऑफ x2 लेके 10 टाइम्स ऑफ x। इस I की वैल्यू को, ये फर्स्ट हो गया I1 और ये हो जाएगा I2। अब फेज का जो एक्सप्रेशन है, फेज का एक्सप्रेशन, उसमें हम लोग डालेंगे -tan−1 2 पाई इंटू 10⁵ इंटू 10 इंटू 10⁻⁻6 इंटू 0.025। अब डिफरेंट स्केलिंग के लिए जो स्केलिंग फैक्टर दिया हुआ है, मतलब करंट की वैल्यू को 0.1 टाइम्स करना है और 10 टाइम्स करना है, तो यहां आई की जगह 0.1 जो मेरा आई एक्सप्रेशन आई आया होगा वो लिखेंगे फर्स्ट टाइम। यहां से एक फेज निकलेगा, ठीक है। as my calculator is missing here, I am not calculating all the part because this question is very simple and I can calculate if my calculator is here. so this से phi1 आ जाएगा। अब इसी फेज एंगल में हम लोग सेकंड पार्ट पुट करेंगे, 0.1 की जगह 10 से स्केल करेंगे I2 को, वहां से मेरा phi2 आ जाएगा। तो ये ही रेंज होगा, तो रेंज phi का जो रेंज होगा वो इसके ही बराबर होगा, phi1 to phi2। सो क्वेश्चन इजी था, बट थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ये था कि अगर आपको सोचना होगा कि स्मॉलर सिंगल एनालिसिस में हम करेंगे तो करेंगे कैसे। अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है। यू कैन डिवोट 10 मिनट्स और like 12 minutes on this question. I have used 13 minutes, or even I have also not calculated the entire value, or with calculator I can solve it within 1 minute. So you can see this question and it's a very good question. I think we will continue this series. I have first targeted for analog electronics. If you want notes of this question or PDF of this question, I will upload it on my Telegram channel with EE Electrical Optional. I will give the link of the channel in the description or comment section. Thank you.